How to use split screen on Google Pixel 8a. Swipe up and hold to view the recent apps on your device. Now tap on the app icon. Now you can see the split screen. That will helpful to access the two apps. Now choose the another app to use at a split screen. Now select the another app. Here we select the setting. Now you can access the YouTube app and a phone settings at the same time. You can also choose Google Messages app or other apps and chat with your friend while watching the YouTube video. To adjust the size, tap and hold the blank space and move it to the bottom to adjust the size of the app on your device. Long press the middle line and move it to top or bottom to adjust the size on your pixel device. If you want to close the split screen mode, just tap and hold the middle line and move it to the top or bottom of the screen to exit the split screen mode on your pixel device. So quite easy to use the two apps at the same time using the pixel 8 split screen mode. That's it. If you like it, share it.